So today, we're going to build a complete mental model of CrewAI from the ground up. By the end of this explainer, you'll get everything from its core concepts to how you can build and deploy your very own multi-agent AI systems. Let's jump right in.
All right, let's kick things off with a really big question. What if AI agents could do more than just, answer a single prompt? What if they could actually collaborate, plan, delegate, and solve complex problems together, just like a real project team? And that's the huge shift in thinking that CrewAI is all about.
For the longest time, we've kind of treated large language models like this one giant brain, a jack of all trades, trying to do everything at once. But that approach has its limits, right? CrewAI introduces a totally new paradigm. Instead of one AI, imagine a whole team of specialized AIs, a researcher, a writer, an analyst, each one an expert, all working together. This is the core idea we're going to unpack.
So here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the big idea behind CrewAI, then break down its core building blocks. After that, we'll get our hands dirty and actually build our first crew with some code. We'll also see how this approach is a major leap from existing systems, look at some amazing real-world applications, and wrap up with some best practices to make sure your crews are set up for success.
Okay, let's start with the why. Why do we even need a framework for multiple AI agents to work together? This section really gets to the heart of what makes CrewAI so powerful.
At its core, CrewAI is an open-source framework for orchestrating role-playing, autonomous AI agents. Now pay close attention to those keywords: orchestrating, role-playing, and collaborate. Think of CrewAI as a project manager for a digital office. It doesn't just create AI workers, it gives them specific jobs, tells them how to work together, and manages the whole project from start to finish.
Okay, so we've got the why. Now let's dig into the what. How is a CrewAI system actually put together? It all boils down to a few key building blocks that you'll use every single time.
So the first and most basic piece of the puzzle is the agent. An agent is your autonomous AI unit. The easiest way to think about it is like an employee. And every good employee needs a job description, right? In CrewAI, that job description has three parts: a role, like senior researcher; a goal, like uncover cutting-edge developments in AI; and a backstory, which gives it personality and context, like an expert in tech journalism with a knack for finding hidden gems. This backstory is a really clever way of doing prompt engineering, making sure the agent performs its job perfectly.
Now, if an agent is your employee, a task is the specific assignment you give them. A task is just a single piece of work. It has two really important parts: a clear description of what needs to be done, and, this is crucial, the expected output. This tells the agent exactly what success looks like, say, a one-paragraph summary of the key findings. It leaves no room for confusion.
And finally, you have the crew. So if agents are your employees and tasks are their assignments, the crew is the whole team. This is the layer that brings it all together. It groups your agents and tasks, and most importantly, it defines the process. Basically, the game plan for how the work gets done. It's the project manager that makes the whole operation run smoothly.
Okay, so how does the work actually get done? Well, there are two main ways. First up, you've got the sequential process. Think of it like an assembly line. Task 1 finishes, and its output goes straight to task 2. Simple, linear, very straightforward. But then you have the hierarchical process, and this is where it gets really interesting. Here, CrewAI actually creates a manager agent. This agent doesn't do the work itself. Instead, it acts like a real boss. It plans, it delegates tasks, it checks the work, and it adapts the plan on the fly. This is perfect for complex problems that need some real thinking.
All right, enough theory. Now for the really fun part. Let's see how all these concepts actually look in code. You're about to see just how easy and intuitive it is to build your very first AI crew.
The whole process is actually super simple and follows a logical four-step pattern. First, you define your agents, your team members. Second, you create the tasks that need to get done. Third, you assemble all of that into a crew. And finally, you just kick off the workflow and let them do their thing.
Let's look at step 1 in the code. See here? We're creating two agents. The first one is a researcher. Notice how its role, goal, and backstory are all clearly defined to make it an expert at finding information. The second agent is a writer, and it's designed specifically to take that research and turn it into a great blog post. Each line gives the AI its own unique persona and purpose. All right, let's bring it all home. Here, we define two tasks. Task 1, which is the research, gets assigned to our researcher agent. And task 2, writing the article, goes to our writer.
Then we assemble the crew, just by passing in our list of agents and tasks. And finally, with one simple command, crew.run, we kick the whole thing off. The crew takes over, the agents collaborate, and out comes the final result. It's really that simple to get started.
Now, a lot of you are probably familiar with Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. A common question I get is, does CrewAI replace RAG? And the answer is no. It's much better to think of it as a powerful evolution. Let's see how this takes things to the next level.
So, let's break it down. A traditional RAG system is great at one thing, finding an answer. It's a single step. Retrieve some info, then generate a response. But CrewAI turns this into a dynamic, multi-step reasoning process. It doesn't just retrieve information. It gives that information to a team of agents. They can analyze it, debate it, check it, and create something completely new from it. The bottom line is this. RAG retrieves data. CrewAI creates a team that thinks with that data.
This all sounds great in theory, but where is CrewAI actually being used today? Let's take a look at some real-world applications to see the kind of impact it's already making.
The versatility here is just incredible. I mean, imagine a content team where one agent does the research, another writes the draft, and a third one edits it for style. That's a classic CrewAI use case. Or picture a team of AI financial analysts. One agent gathers data, another analyzes market sentiment, and a third recommends an investment strategy. That's also CrewAI. From customer support to deep data analysis, it can automate really sophisticated, multi-step business workflows.
And listen, this isn't just some experimental project. CrewAI is a beast in production. It currently powers over 12 million agentic workflow executions every single day in real-world environments. That number tells you everything you need to know about the scale, reliability, and trust that major companies are putting into this framework.
So you're probably feeling inspired and ready to build. But before you jump in, let's quickly cover a few best practices. Following these simple rules will help you create crews that are effective, reliable, and just better.
First, define clear roles. Just like on a real team, you want to avoid confusion, so make sure each agent has a distinct job. Second, give them tools. An agent can't search the web if you don't give it a search tool, right? So equip them properly. Third, monitor and debug. Watch what your agents are producing as you develop, so you can see where to improve. And finally, and this is a big one, start simple. Don't try to build a 10-agent crew from scratch. Start with 2, get it working perfectly, and then scale up. That iterative approach is always the best way to go.
We've covered the what, the why, and the how of CrewAI. If you want to learn how to build real-world AI systems, covering everything from data engineering to AI architectures and scalable deployment, make sure to subscribe, because here, we don't just learn tech, we build it.